melt the fat of the stomach like crazy, with this deadly combination of two fruits. We like all people to see us well. Being thin is not just a matter of aesthetics, much less. Being thin is synonymous with health as well. Today we talk about a delicious and very effective natural recipe that can help you lose weight in a very short time. All you need to do is put it into practice in your daily diet. We all know that a healthy diet and regular physical activity are essential for a healthy body and normal body weight. This shake contains high amounts of enzymes, fiber and minerals, all of which will increase the metabolism, the process to burn fat, and keep you full for longer. You should consume this drink as a substitute for a meal, at breakfast or at lunch, you choose. However, if you decide to consume it at night, reduce the ingredients in half. It is recommended that you consume this drink after a physical activity so that you can boost the process of burning fat to the maximum, eliminate fat cells, and increase muscle mass. Exercise can range from walking or cycling to other more intense physical activity. Ingredients: 1. A banana. 2. 1 teaspoon of flaxseed. 3. 1 teaspoon grated ginger. 4. Half a cup of pineapple slices. 5. A cup of almond milk. How to prepare: put all the aforementioned ingredients in a blender and mix well until obtaining a homogeneous and smooth mixture. Remember, 1. Exercise regularly. 2. You do not need to become an elite athlete, but it is always a help to perform some type of exercise to make your diet more effective. 3. If you do not have time to play sports and conditions, surely you can do to move a little more than before and burn some extra calories. 4. Take regular breaks at work and walk around the office a bit. 5. Say goodbye to the elevator and greet the stairs, they will be your best allies. 6. You can also try to catch the car less, or park a little further from your destination to go for a while walk.